Hello guys, I want to share with you my thoughts about the application called Go Keyboard. I'm going to show you all the different keyboards available and all the options that this application gives you. I think it's really helpful and I like it more than the stock keyboard. I don't like the other format, so I use this keypad format. You can change it if you want. It also gives you the portrait mode. Um, and then you can also change the language to whatever you want. There are a lot of languages available. As you can see, I have Spanish right here. If you click here, you can do some changes here. Or once you set up your language, if you click down here, I'm going between two different languages right now. I use English and Spanish. So if you click here, it changes to Spanish. If you click back, it changes to English. I give you a quick test. So let's say, so as you can see, it works fine. Um, Let me show you in Spanish now. And also I'm using the T9 mode. So it gives you the predictions and all that. You see the words that are highlighted underneath. If they are not added or part of the dictionary, you can click and it's going to show you an option to add to dictionary or delete it. If you want to add it, just click on that. And then it's going to bring up the editor. And then you can edit the word if you need to change anything or just say okay and it's going to be added to the to your dictionary. Um, let's see. Another option that I like is this part right here. The third one, it says voice input. If you click on that, this is a test. As you can see, it gets a voice recognition and it's pretty accurate. Um, let's try in Spanish. Oh, actually, that was Spanish. So even if you have it in Spanish or English, whatever you say, because both languages are part of the keyboard right now or the application, it's going to recognize whatever you say depending on the language. Um, let's see. If you go here to the bottom right here at the bottom is the settings. If you go here, uh, here are different options. As you can see here, it says dictionary management. Um, you can back up the dictionary, import contacts, restore, clear dictionary. You can change the font. There are other options. There are some options here for the voice key. It's easy to navigate and easy to predict how to make changes. Some things I don't use because I don't need to, but if you go here to theme settings, this is where you change the themes, and I'm gonna show you all the different themes that I have. So let's see, let me show you this one. I'll show you all the my favorite themes that I have here. Another thing, if you click here on that's settings, but it's also to access the numeric pad. So if you click on that, you're gonna get all numbers. Um, if you click on sim, which is symbols, you're gonna get all symbols, and then click on the corner here, and then you go back between letters, settings, or symbol. Let me show you a different thing. There's that one. And then you can also change the letters, or I should say the font. Let's see, display settings. So you can change the portrait, landscape. You can customize the portrait key, landscape key, suggestion font size. You can change the size of the font. You can change the arrow keys. For show pop-up, this is gonna this is when you're typing, the letters are kind of like popping up just to give you an idea that when you're typing is working. You can change the pop-up height, so how high the letters pop up. Slide transition style. You can basically switch between level switching or 3D switching. Let's see. Here, font settings. I'm not gonna do it right now, but you have to scan all the font packages that you have on your phone, and then from there you will here select fonts, and then you can change the font, and then basically apply that to. So let's say I have this one right now. I'm gonna change it for this one, so I'll change it right there, and that's how you change it. Let me show you a couple of other themes. This one is purple, but it almost looks like a blue, so it's hard to tell. There's that one. Another thing that you can do is also customize the theme, and you can add something in the background of the theme, and adjust the transparency. So portrait background, landscape background. So let's see here. If you access your gallery, um, I guess you can select a picture and add it to your keyboard, and then you can adjust the transparency. So when you're typing, you're gonna see something behind the keyboard, a picture, something in the background. I don't like doing that, but that's a cool option. Let's see. Other than that, that's pretty much everything. All the important things about this application. I think it's really useful and it's something different. If you don't want to have the same keyboard or the same color all the time. Uh, but thank you for watching. That's all for right now.